Guys, so it's been a while, but I'm finally back into it. I already scuffed the front bumper. Had to do the car yet, so right now I'm gonna try to work on the bumper, put some bundle on it, and try to smooth some of the panels. So alright guys, so bumper is getting super nice and finished. Everything looks good on it, all the lines. I'm happy with them. So is rear bumper. It's getting nice and smooth. I'm already started sanding some of the spider cracks and the paint and stuff. The body is great, and I just got this in the mail, which is like splitters for my bumper, and I can't wait to open them and put them on the bumper. Alright, so they look freaking great. They look super nice. I'm really happy with the finish. But the fitment it's actually pretty good. Maybe some heat and a couple screws on the bottom, and they should fit. They should fit decent, but looks nice. So a lot of the car is prepped, both the quarters prepped, hoods prepped. I still need to prep my fenders and finish up bumper and stuff. So I'm gonna order new high build primer because there's a lot of pinholes and crap on the car that I need to. Hopefully this week I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna try to prime the whole thing. I'm gonna remove all the stuff that I don't need. I'm gonna probably take the doors off, taillights off, and basically get the shell ready. Take windows out, probably take the front and rear, like windshield out. So right now, I'm gonna start stripping it and sanding the whole thing, getting ready for prime. Alright guys, so I pulled the trim off, cleaned this garbage. Need to order new ones. I'm probably gonna order black ones anyway for the car. But trim is off, windows out. Now I need to take mirrors off and then start sanding the car, take these off yet, and maybe tape sunroof for now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just started working on it and I'm already sick of it. But so far I hit it with 180 and there's no like dimples or dents in the roof, so the roof's perfect. I hit the whole pillar and primer again. So right now I'm working on the other side of the roof right now. Still gotta hit the front of it and the pillar and the quarter and trunk. But so far it's pretty good. I gotta hit the door yet and hood a little bit more, but hopefully I'll prime it by the end of this week. Alright guys, so roof is 180 grit. Windows, rear windshield and rear window I'm not gonna take off. I just took the molding off that wasn't here, and basically I'm gonna scuff everything inside up until the window and just tape it and paint. There's no need in taking the window off. Same thing in the back. So roof is done. This panel and rocker panel is done. Now I'm gonna hit the trunk. Alright guys, so this is another one. Car is basically almost done. Bumpers are basically almost done. It's been a long day. I'm gonna take a break. Come back here tomorrow. So trunk, bumper, quarter panel with a pillar and hood. Front bumper basically scuffed up too. New half splitters or whatever they call them. I didn't do them yet, and this side is basically fully done. Oh, and the roof is the big one, but yeah, she's getting there. Wrap it up for tonight guys. I appreciate watching and patient with me, waiting for me. Been busy with work, lazy a little bit, but there's something cool coming for this car, so I'm motivated to work on it again. So stay tuned, and I guess I'll reveal it soonish. Thanks. See ya.